Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning I'm going to do a banana nut bread. I have a real good friend, Janine McCutcheon. We cook for the church a lot, and we would make this recipe. It freezes real well, so we would make it ahead a lot of time, put it in the freezer so we wouldn't have to do that every Sunday morning. This is a real easy recipe to do. We start off with a Duncan Hines yellow cake mix. We use 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of Crisco, and we're going to have 4 eggs. This is 4 eggs that's going into this. And we have 3 large bananas, and I have to mash these up, so. I'm just going to give this a little mash with this potato masher, and then I'll put it in there. We just dump all this together and put it, take it over to the mixer and mix it up. It doesn't take but a little while to mix this up. And it will go in 2 loaf pans. They're 5 by 9s, I believe. You can freeze it and take it out and thaw it out, and it tastes like it's almost fresh. We're ready to add 1 cup of chopped pecans is what we're using. Okay, that's our batter. It's a very pretty batter. And this bakes on a 350-degree oven, 35 minutes. Want to divide it equally if I can. Okay, we're going to put these in a 350-degree oven for 35 minutes. Okay, I think our banana nut bread is finished. It looks real pretty. We'll take it out and let it sit for a little while. This is our final product on our banana nut bread, and I hope you enjoy it as much as our family and our church does. I'll see you on another video, family video. Thank you.